Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 10 of English grammar, that is conjunction. Dear students, we all have read this topic in the previous class, in class 2, class 3rd, and today we will also discuss it in class 4. Dear students, it is also given in class 5, 6, 7, 8 also. Dear students, you all know that what is conjunction. Conjunction is a linking word. Conjunction is a joining word that joins two words, to sentences, to phrase, to clauses. Okay? It joins two words, to sentences, to phrases, or to clauses. Therefore, it is known as linking word. It is known as joining word. Okay, students? So just open your notebook of English grammar and just write down what is conjunction. Okay? Just put the heading what is conjunction. We will discuss about it, what is conjunction. Just put the heading what is conjunction. Okay? Just say students, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word, write down. A conjunction is a word conjunction is a word which denotes, which joins two or more than two words. More than two words. Phrases, clauses, or sentences. Okay, students, just see the definition of conjunction. Conjunction is a word which joins two or more than two words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Okay? Conjunction is a joining word which joins two words, two phrases, two clauses, or two sentences, or more than two words, more than two phrases, more than two clauses, and more than two sentences. Okay, students, there are so many words that we use to join two words, two phrases, two clauses, two sentences, such as and, but, or, until, till, although, because, if, whether. There are so many words that we use to join two words or more than two words, two phrases or more than two phrases, two clauses or more than two clauses, two sentences or more than two sentences. Okay? Therefore, it is known as linking word. Therefore, it is known as joining word. Okay, students? So, just write about it. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which joins two or more than two words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Just write down from the next line, students. These are the words like and. Just say students, and, or, but, though, and, or, but, though, 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 comma, although, because, if, unless, there are so many words, students. There are so many words that we use to join to words, to sentences, to phrases, to clauses. Okay? Etc. are conjunction. So used as a conjunction. G-U-N-C-T-I-O. Okay, students, just see students. The word and, or, but, though, because, if, unless, there are so many other words that we use to join to words, to sentences, to phrases, to clauses. Okay? The students, in your book there are so many words given. Whether, either are, neither nor. Okay? There are so many words given that we use to join to words or more than two words, to phrases or more than two phrases, to clauses or more than two clauses, to sentences or more than two sentences. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood what is conjunction. Dear students, you can also write an example. Just see. Write down the example. Just see first example. Anil and Shyam are good friends. Anil and Shyam are good friends. Dear students, here in this sentence, the word and is used to join Anil and Shyam. We are using the and, the conjunction and, to join the two names, that is Anil and Shyam. Okay? Anil and Shyam are good friends. In this sentence, the word and is used to join two words, therefore that is conjunction. Okay, students, just write down this example, and one more example you also write. That is, Amrita is poor. Amrita is poor. Okay, that is one sentence, but honest. Dear students, there are two sentences. If we think deeply, we will find that there are two sentences. Amrita is poor, that is one sentence. Amrita is honest, that is another sentence. But we have joined these two sentences using the conjunction but. Just see, Amrita is poor but honest. Okay? So here the word but is used to join poor and honest. Amrita is poor and Amrita is honest. Okay? We use the word but to join two sentences. Therefore, that is known as conjunction. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood what is conjunction. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Dear students, now we will discuss the exercises which is given in your book. Just see. There are so many exercises are given. Okay. Dear students, one more thing that I want to tell you, that in your book it is given. Okay. Conjunction used in pair. Dear students, neither nor, either or, whether or, not only but also. These are also conjunction. Okay, that we also use to join two words or sentences. Okay, so just see the exercise first. Yes, students, I hope that you all have written it. After completing it, you will open the book of English grammar, page number 52. Okay, students, you will use the pencil to complete the exercises given in the book. Just see, students. I'm going to erase it. Just open your book of English grammar, page number 52. Dear students, we will discuss the exercise first only today, and in the next class we will also discuss the other exercises given in the chapter. Okay, so just see the exercise first. Just see, students, what is exercise first. The students, in the exercise first, it is written there, pick out the conjunction. You have to pick out the conjunction from the following. Dear students, in these sentences are given there are 10 sentences given there. You have to pick out the conjunction which is used in the sentence. Okay, and there are enough space given to write in the blank. Just see, students, first question I am going to do. First question is given here. Either you or I must wait. Either you, E-I-T-H-E-R, either you or I must wait you. I must wait you. Okay, student, just see the sentence. This is your sentence given in your question number first, and there is also blank. There is also blank given. Okay, just see, students, blank is given. I am going to write the blank here, just below. Just see, you have to tell what is conjunction in the given sentence. Dear students, I have also told you that the word either or, neither nor, not only but also is also conjunction. Okay, students, just see, you can see here the word either or. These two words are what? Conjunction. Okay, therefore you will write either, E-I-T-H-E-R, either dot, because in the mid there is a word you, that is not conjunction. Okay, that is pronoun. So you will write either or. Okay, so in this sentence, either or is what? Conjunction. Either or. Okay, either you or I must wait you. In this sentence, the word either or is what? Conjunction. Okay, you will write in the given blank. And if you want to underline these words, you can also underline in your given sentence. Okay, come to the next question. Question number second. Just say, students, I do not know. Yes, students, I will not write the sentences which is given in the book. I will tell you the words that is conjunction in the given sentence. Okay, you will also write it. I do not know whether she is hardworking or not. Dear students, just see, I do not know whether. Dear students, the word whether is used here to join two sentences. W-H-E-T-H-E-R. The word whether is what? Conjunction. Okay, in the question number second, you can see, I do not know whether she is hardworking or not. So here the sentence, the word whether is what? And whether is a linking word, joining word, or conjunction. Okay, students, so in the given blank you will write the word whether. Okay, students, I am going to write only answer. Okay, you will also write in your book. Just see, students, question number third. The question was so tough that I could not solve it. Just see, students, sentence once again. The question was so tough that I could not solve it. Dear students, in this sentence, the word that is used to join two sentences. Therefore, the word that is conjunction here. Okay, you can see the question was so tough. That is one sentence. I could not solve it. That is another sentence. And between these two sentences, the word that is used. You see, the question was so tough that I could not solve it. In this sentence, the word that is used to join two sentences, therefore that is conjunction. You will write it in the given line. Come to the next question. Question number 4. Just say students, what is question number 4? He will award you. That is one sentence. You do well in your examination. That is another sentence. These two sentences are joined with the word if. You can see the sentence. He will award you if you do well in your examination. Dear students, in this sentence, the word if is used to join two sentences. Therefore, the word if is conjunction in the given sentence. Okay, students, you will also write it in your given space at the page number 52. Come to the next question. Question number 5. Just say, students, I missed the train. That is one sentence. Another sentence is given, I walked fast. And these two sentences are linked with the word although. What would be the sentence now? I missed the train although I walked fast. Although. Dear student, the word although is conjunction in the given sentence. Okay? The word although. A-L-T-H-O-U-G-H. Okay? Come to the next question. Question number 6. What is question number 6? Anu is cleverer than her sister. Than. Dear student, the word than is used to join two words. Okay? Anu is cleverer than, that is also degree of comparison. Okay? Cleverer than, that is comparative degree, but here you have to tell the conjunction only. What is conjunction here? Than. Okay? Question number 7. This is students question number 7. What is question number 7 is given? You can see, we did not call him for an interview as we had not received his application in time. You see, we did not call him for an interview. That is one sentence. Another sentence is given, we had not received his application in time. That is another sentence. And these two sentences are joined with the word as. Okay? Just see the sentence. What is sentence? We did not call him for an interview as we had not received his application in time. In this sentence, the word as is used to join two sentences. Therefore, that is conjunction. Okay, students, you will write the word as in the given way. Come to the next question, students. Question number 8. Do not reply. That is one sentence. Unless you know the answer. That is another sentence. Here, these two sentences are joined with the word unless. Yes, students, in the question number 8, you will underline or you will write the word unless in the given line. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 9. Just see, students, the sun is bigger than the earth. Dear students, here again comparison. Using the word than is a conjunction. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Yes, students, Ravi hit the ball, but Pooja missed it. Ravi hit the ball, that is one sentence. Pooja missed it, that is another sentence. And these two sentences are linked with the word but. Therefore, that is conjunction. Okay, just see the question number 10. Ravi hit the ball, but Pooja missed it. In this sentence, the word but is used to join two sentences. Therefore, that is conjunction. Okay, students. So, in this way, we have completed the exercise first. In the question number first, you will write the word, you will underline the word, as well as you will also write in the given space which is given in your book, either or. Okay, I have written here. In the question number second, you will write whether. In the question number third, you will write the word that. In the question number 4, you will write the word if. In the question number 5, you will write the word although. In the question number 6, you will write the word than. In the question number 7, you will write the word at. In the question number 8, you will write the word unless. In the question number 9, you will write the word than. In the question number 10, you will write the word but. Yes, students, you have to write these words in the given space. If you want to underline these words in your question, you can also underline it for better understanding. Okay students, so in this way we have completed today the definition of conjunction with example, and we have also completed the exercise first, which is given at the page number 52 of your English grammar book. Dear students, in the next class we will discuss the exercise second and third, which is given at the page number 53 of the same chapter, chapter number 10, that is conjunction. Okay students, so that's all for today. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, that's all. Thank you.